Hello all, welcome in this SAP tutorial. Today's our discussion topic is uh, MIGO reversal. MIGO reversal may be of different kinds because once you receive goods against purchase order, then you can reverse. Once you good issue against any reservation, then you can also reverse. Once you goods issue against any maintenance activity, then you can also reverse. So there is a different types of the goods reversal depending on your requirement and the process explained in this app. Here we have a reservation number and we have a good issue number, GI number. These are the material we have issued against maintenance activity. Hope you understand. So you can open MB23 and in MB23 see this is the movement type 261 and this is the order. Movement type 261 is used for the maintenance order. This of the amount like this material and this material, 3 4 materials are there, for the quantity is also there and mentioned here. Hope you understand. 261, this is the reservation number we have opened using MB23. Okay, this is the maintenance order. This is the maintenance order. We have opened it using IW33, and if you click on this document overflow, then see this is notification, this is maintenance order, this is the goods issue number, GI for order, and this is complete. Okay, once you select and click on this, the system will generate this data and you will see. So goods issue process, goods reversal process is where you should done very carefully, because once already things are settled in the books, a background accounting is there, a GL movement transfer is there. So once you are doing a reversal, then you should have a proper justification of the record. Okay, uh, and in MB52, first we are going to check this quantity and how many quantities are there in SAP MB52. We are going to check plant code 1702. Our storage location is this. See, this material is having 45 quantity in unrestricted mode. These material have unrestricted quantity of this amount. Okay, we have mentioned the initial quantity 45, and for 1026 is 21 quantity. 1026 is 21 quantity. Hope you understand. After reversal, uh, these quantities these quantities will be added in this quantity. Okay, so we are going to do a reversal process in case of this. So first copy this GI number and execute the transaction MIGO. MIGO is a very important transaction code, uh, and here you have option and cancellation. You can do, you have option also the partial cancellation, and we are going to copy this document number, and sorry, unfortunately material number has been copied, and this is the document number. This is the uh, GI document number. Once you click on the enter, you have options to reverse the partial quantity. For example, we have 6 quantities. I just want to reverse 3 quantity only. So in this place, you can check only those material we are going to reverse. For example, I just want to execute this, then I have to tick on this only. Hope you understand. You have flexibility in case of this. If the posting period is closed, old posting period is closed, you are not going to able to post this again. So you should post in the current period with the proper justification done in the header text and in the description also. So we are going to reverse this quantity, okay, and click on the check. If everything is all right, system is giving you a warning that document posting dates in the different fiscal years. So you just ignore this. You just ignore this because the previous quarter books of finances has been closed, and you are going to change some entries in the current books. So system is giving you a warning. Why are you doing such case? If everything is all right, then the green indicator will be reflecting here, and click on the post. Once you click on the post, system will also generate a material document number. You can clearly check this document number in the MB51 record of that plant, in the MB51 record of that plant. Okay, so no need to just maintain this document number, but at least see, this is the document number, and this is the reversal document number. Okay, the moment type is 262 plus, GI is 261, the reversal of that is 262. So by checking the movement type in the MB51 record, you can also able to identify such data. Okay, so cancellation of the GI document is this. You just mention and note down along with the dates. Okay. Now you can check the effect in the MB52. Okay, in the MB52 record, you can also check that these are the quantities updating in our store with unrestricted mode. We can use this quantity in another work, in another purpose. Okay, so in MB52, see, in MB52 we are going to update the data of all the material to check whether these quantities updated in our store or not. Once we execute, see, these quantities are updating in our record. Okay, see, this is in 50 quantity, 4 quantity, and 15 quantities. Okay, 15 quantity, 4 quantity, and 176 is 45 plus 5. 45 plus 5 is 50 quantity. 126 record is not available here. We are going to check this. And this 45 plus 5 is for 50 quantity. Okay, hope you understand. And for this material, I am going to check again this data. Here I am just going to fill this material code and going to display this. See, this material is reflecting 38 quantity. 17 quantities already are there, and 17 quantities for reversal and 21 quantities for the already available in the restricted mode. So 21 plus 17 of the reversal is going to 38. So once we reverse any MIGO document, MIGO document, then system is going to reflect all the data in our storage location in the unrestricted mode with updated value. Okay, so we will. So here again you can check this data in the MB52 documents, MB51 record. In MB51 you can mention your plant code, storage location, movement type 262, and expected period of the date of the posting, you will get the data. Okay, so this is the beauty of SAP system, and thanks to SAP engineers, SAP consultant for designing on such a beautiful concepts and logics in SAP modules. Okay, and user, this is very easy. User can easily identify such work if you he or she know the basics. Okay, hope you understand. And if you have any query in your mind, then please mention in the comment section and reach us at the rate erpsapteam1 at the rate gmail.com. And one thing, this tutorial we have created for training and understanding purpose, for just understanding purpose. Okay, and but I am suggesting again, before going to cancel any MIGO activity from previous financial years, you should discuss with your finance officers and take the proper reason in your approval copy, because once you reverse, then books of accounts will disturb from one GL to another GL. Okay, so have a nice day, see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye, keep smiling, and share this knowledge with your friends and colleagues if you know this is useful topic of discussion. And also press the like button. And if you're new on our YouTube channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for our latest video updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.